Want to draw geometric shapes neatly using your S Pen? Here's a tip using the dotted template in Samsung Note on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open Note app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap Setting icon. Under General section, tap Default Note Style, tap Template. Scroll through the available templates and select one of the dotted styles. You will see there are 3 dotted templates. The only difference is how far apart the dots are. Choose the one you like. And now this dotted template will be used as the background every time you make a new note. Now let's create a new note. Tap the bracket twice. Then tap Create New Note icon at the bottom right. Remove your S Pen. Now you can start trying to draw a shape, maybe triangle, square, or trapezoid using the S Pen. As you can see, the dot help guide your stroke so your shapes are more accurate and balanced. This template is great for students, designers, or anyone who need extra help with spacing. And that's it, a simple trick to improve your drawing or sketching using the dot background in Samsung Note. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.